Welcome to Woodcarving Artist. Today, you're about to witness the very first wooden supercar made by a young Vietnamese creator known as ND Woodcarving. Every curve, every light, every detail of this car was handcrafted from wood, not just for show, but fully functional and drivable. What you're seeing isn't just a project, it's a dream carved into reality. From the frame structure to the glowing accents, every piece reflects the dedication and precision of true craftsmanship. If this amazed you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave your thoughts in the comments, and follow along for even more incredible wooden builds coming soon. Just take a moment to look at this. What started as a rugged root system, gnarled, aged, and covered in dirt, has now been transformed into a breathtaking masterpiece. The artist carefully cleaned and turned this root on the lathe, revealing stunning natural textures. Look at that grain. It's like waves frozen in time. And then came the fire. Controlled burning to bring out the figure even more, followed by patient polishing until the wood practically glows. This isn't just a vase, it's a testament to patience, vision, and skill, a reminder that even the roughest beginnings can become something elegant and timeless. If this amazed you even half as much as it amazed us, leave a comment below. Tell us, what would you do with a root like this? And don't forget to subscribe to Woodcarving Artist for more wooden wonders you won't believe are real. Just look at this table. It's not just furniture. It's a story carved in wood. The artist didn't cut away the tree's natural shape. He embraced it. That trunk, that bark, they're not flaws. They're the soul of the design. This isn't something you find in a showroom. It's raw. It's honest. It's alive. And it proves one thing. Sometimes, the most powerful design comes from letting nature take the lead. Would you put this in your home? Or does it belong in a museum? Tell us in the comments. And if you love seeing nature turned into art, hit that subscribe button. There's so much more coming, only here on Woodcarving Artist. They're the soul of the design. This isn't something you find in a showroom. It's raw. It's honest. It's alive. And it proves one thing. Sometimes, just look at this table. It's not just furniture. It's a story carved in wood. The artist didn't cut away the tree's natural shape. This is the final masterpiece. A dragon, not just carved, but summoned from wood. Every line of its scales, every curve of its claws, was brought to life by nothing more than patience, talent, and a rotary tool. Look closely. This isn't just sculpture. It's movement, frozen mid-roar. It's power, locked inside cedar grain. It's legend, told without words. From the tip of its horn to the fierce grip around that orb, this carving is a story in motion, one that took days to shape, but centuries to inspire. If this amazed you, let us know in the comments. What creature would you carve next, and if anything was possible? And don't forget to subscribe, because here, we don't just work with wood, we reveal the magic inside it.